I just finished talking to my son and realized I got no memory left. Then I killed the battery in my drill already. We've been hard at it. Even my dog's tired. I'm gonna go ahead and make a part 1 and part 2 out of this video because I got no memory. So I'm gonna throw it into the old computer or some bullshit. Alright. Oh, shoutouts, man. I'm barely learning how to use all this YouTube stuff. I don't know how to friend requests. I don't know how to do nothing. I can barely put up videos and make comments and save favorites. But if it wasn't for you guys, man, I wouldn't know how to do any of this stuff. It's a lot of, I'm just making shit up as I go along, and some of it I've seen you guys do it, giving me ideas, trying to come up with my own. If I could help somebody, I'm glad to. If anything, man, I'm always open for suggestions. I know it doesn't seem like, oh, he might want a suggestion. Go for it. I've been getting a lot of days off these days, so as you can tell, I've just been goofing around out here. I have a whole pile of crap. I forgot my van open last night, and but nobody touches nothing out here. Alright, guys. I'll probably be posting up a second part of this video. I'm a little more in depth into it later on. Alright, peace.
I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
Yep, you guessed it. Another day off. This is roll number 11. We're gonna do this side of the truck, the nasty side. Yep, it's gonna be night and day stuff. This is the one that has a hole in it. See how much memory I got left on my phone, which ain't nothing. Wish me luck. Got my work gear on. Alright. Exactly 13 1/4. Alright. 13 1/4. Okay. 13 1/2 is the center of the hubcap. Pretty much. Because I'm going to change out these tires so they didn't come out too good. Oh well. Lexington. I guess they were supposed to be kind of heavy duty, but they're bubbling out. They're breaking. All this stuff is not good. And once I add more weight into it, it's gonna suck. Do a little more sanding. Let's take all this out. It's more in depth. Looks crazy. Ay, caramba. It's not good. Alright, we got sander, cutter, and of course, power adjusting Dremel Multimax, the wire brush, another wire brush, adapter, self-adhesive joint so I could put the fiberglass. I'm gonna cut these holes bigger. Try to clean some of that out. I'll be using that 1,400 pound torque little guy right there. Okay, so far so good.